Hey guys, it's David. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna be I'm not showing you nothing. Today I'm gonna be mixing 4 of my slimes. So I'm actually really excited. But anyway, make sure you subscribe to become part of the Unicorn fam. Make sure you also like this video and make sure you comment on this video and share this video with your friends. But anyway, let's get on with today's video. Let's go. Okay, so I've got, it's actually 5 slimes, but here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold these.
Hey, you didn't mess with my eyeballs, man.
I didn't mess with your eyes.
There's 5, no, and 5. But on my title it says 4, so I mean 5. So, but the yellow one, I don't want to mix all of the yellow one or white one because they're like the best slimes. So yeah, and we also have the container to mix, and we also have something. Where's the mixing bowl? Something to mix it with. So first, okay, which one do we want to put the green one in first? Pink, green. Okay. Here, put the. Here, dump it in there.
Probably why you're laying
Where's the?
on this hard thing.
I'm not
Okay,
laying
we
on
gotta
that.
bring it over
Didn't
here.
even
Move
touch
it.
that yet.
Yeah, right here. Move your head.
Like, I'm leaning next to that one side.
It's so like liquidy. Okay, just take it. Put the lid on it. So, pink and green. Now do the blue. Do the blue. I don't think this is gonna turn brown because it's like such a. These are such bright. I can't get that off. Just put the lid on it. Okay, now for this one. Yes, they do. Okay, leave me. How many want like this much of it?
Can I mix them?
Yeah. Okay, this one's like a really glossy slime. This is like good slime. Now yellow. So, there are the slimes, and now I'm having her right there. Mix it. Oh! I didn't even do nothing. Oh my god. It's gonna turn blue, or pink, or purple. Girl, you need to, let me see it, because you're gonna have to mix it with your hands. Because colors are not gonna blend in. What? Oh my god, the color's so pretty, y'all. I'm moving that. And that. And right now where I live, it is 12:50 a.m. Well, at night. And comment down below what time it is where you live. What? Oh, Kaylee, it's so freaking pretty. Wait, let me show the camera. So guys, it feels like
It's not even sticky.
it feels like clay. So here's the finished product. Okay.
It's more blue than anything.
I know, it's because there was like so much blue. But it's like a gray blue. But it is kind of sticky to me though. But I'm gonna actually set this on the lid because it's sticking to my hand everywhere. So, yeah. But anyway, here it is.
Our craftsmen begin each day perfectly seasoning our Hillshire Farms smoked sausage. So by simply adding the right ingredients,
What is
we
it?
can end each day crafting a perfectly delicious dinner.
But anyway, yeah, so here is the finished color. And if you guys might see, it might look blue to you guys, but in real life, it is like a gray, blue stickiness. But anyway, yeah, that is it for today's video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. And yeah. And guys, I'm going to try to start vlogging every day. It just depends. So yeah. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe and comment anything on this video. Hate comment or love comment, I don't mind. And make sure you share this
You
with
had
your
a big
friends.
Ashley Navarro when we first got together. Go ask me. I know what you had.
We're making a video.
But anyway, yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share on the video. And when
Jalen's gonna become YouTube famous.
and when you comment on this video, I don't care what you comment. It could be a hate comment, love comment. I don't care. But anyway, guys, I will be having another giveaway soon.
Okay, take this. It's
But anyway, I love you guys
here, take this. It's first
so
stick.
much. And I
Take
put it in this. And oh, Kaylin. Anyway, I love you guys so much.
Here. You love the people. You love
Yes,
your fans.
yes. But anyway, make sure you guys subscribe to become part of the Unicorn fam.
Tell them, Jalen, I love you, my fans.
And I love you guys so much. And make sure you subscribe. It looks something like this. Make sure you hit the bell. It also looks something like this. But anyway, I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in my next video, which I think will be tomorrow. I don't know. But anyway, I'll see you guys in my next in my next video. I love you guys. So
Okay.
peace.